A very warm welcome to all our viewers. Hope you all are staying safe. Myself, Pritha Sengupta, driving marketing for Avnion India. Today, we are hosting the very first session of our Avnion podcast on as-built engineering services. Before we kick off, we would like to give a brief introduction on Avnion. We have been serving 300 plus clients across 25 plus countries for 3 decades now. Our goal is to help businesses optimize their operations through the effective use of visualization. Our service area are therefore focused around three main areas of expertise, being digital modernization, the design and documentation of physical operations through engineering support, and the applicable use of spatial intelligence to harness geolocation in business decision making. Today's subject revolves around engineering support area of expertise, and some of our senior leaders will share their experience and expertise in the specific area of as-built engineering services. Let me take this opportunity to introduce the Avnion leaders present in the podcast today. Today I have with me Mr. Raghottam, Senior Vice President Engineering Business Development, Mr. Prabhanjan, Vice President Engineering Services, and Mr. Raghu Ganeshan, President of Avnion India. First, I would like to welcome Raghu to this session. Raghu has been leading Avnion's business in the APAC region for more than 2 decades. Hi Raghu, welcome to this session. Can you please tell us about Avnion's capabilities specific to engineering support services?
Sure. Thanks, Preeta, and hi, everyone. Avignon offers multidisciplinary detail engineering support services throughout the entire project lifecycle to its customers in multiple sectors spanning various geographies. As we know, any greenfield or brownfield project consists of three major activities, namely engineering design, procurement, and construction. Engineering design is the first and the most critical task wherein the focus is on design thinking. In this phase, the value creation focus is on meeting planned design output goals in a cost-effective and timely manner while ensuring safety, quality, and adherence to compliances. This phase lays the groundwork for the overall success of your critical infrastructure project as it comes to life. At Avignon, we have been supporting leading EPCs, contractors, owner-operators in a wide variety of industries, primarily oil and gas, energy, power, cryogenics, chemical, infrastructure, and water wastewater. We offer multidisciplinary detail engineering support services spanning from pre-bid engineering support to design and detail engineering support, 3D modeling, fabrication, drawing support, all the way up to as building. We also offer data migration, data conversion, and asset data management support services. Today, I have my colleagues Raghotam and Prabhanjan to lead this talk and give you all an overview of as-built services of Avignon. They will walk you through the benefits of maintaining up-to-date planned as-built information and how Avignon can help you in this process. I hope you will find this very useful and informative. Over to you, Preeta.
Thank you, Raghu, for giving us an overview of Avnion's engineering capabilities. I would like to invite Prabhanjan, who is leading Avnion's Engineering Design and Support Services Center of Excellence in Hyderabad. Welcome, Prabhanjan, to today's session on as-built services. Our viewers would like to know what is as-built engineering and what are the work processes involved. Can you please provide some insight into it?
Thanks, Prita. Hi, everyone. I think we can best describe as-built engineering as the process for updating field changes that happen during construction or fabrication and O&M phases of plant life cycle. By referencing the as-built plant data collected using laser and survey techniques against native and legacy construction drawings, models, associated datasets, etc., and producing an up-to-date intelligent as-built 3D model, which will serve as a digital twin of the plant. In greenfield projects, field changes will be marked down drawings by construction contractors through site walkthroughs post-construction phase. Engineering teams will then review these redline markups, interpret the changes, and will update in respect to native file formats, visually 3D models, 2D drawings, documents. These updated as-built documentation will then be submitted to owner operators as part of project handover milestone. In case of brownfield projects, aging plants, as the available engineering information is not reliable, existing plant data can be captured accurately with the latest LegitScan technology in the form of point cloud data, along with 360-degree panoramic views. This point cloud data will be registered to plant coordinate system and post-processed to non-intelligent primitive 3D models or fully intelligent 3D models, depending on client requirements and budgets with very high accuracy. Existing drawings as available will also be utilized in building these as-built models. The end result will be the creation of an intelligent 3D digital twin model from which 2D drawings and reports can be extracted automatically and submitted to owner operators.
Thank you, Prabhanjan, for shedding some light on the work processes involved in as-built engineering. Now, I would like to invite Raghuttam, who is driving Avnion's engineering services business and market presence in various geographies in the APAC region. Welcome, Raghuttam, to today's session. We would like to know from you what are the services we are providing in as-built engineering.
Thank you, Preetha. Hi, everyone. Our experienced field engineers perform plant walkthroughs to assess and correct field changes and collect redline markups in respective 3D models, 2D drawings, and documents. We process your laser scan point cloud data into intelligent 3D model datasets and extract associated 2D drawings reports as required. We convert your legacy drawings in image, PDF, and other formats to intelligent 3D models using smart plant applications from various software vendors like Hexagon, Bentley, Autodesk, Aviva, and extract the 2D drawings. We hand over the comprehensive as-built package in native format from our high-value engineering center in India. We also provide the data enrichment services. That is, during as-building process, the data provided by multiple contractors to you are typically in different versions, formats, and standards. All these will be standardized, merged, and upgraded to a most current industry standard platforms like SP3D or Aviva PDMS or E3D. We offer metadata indexing of all your assets with tags and documents and build relationship between them. And finally, we also perform data integration published in your EDMS software like SmartPlant Foundation or AvivaNet.
Thank you, Raghuttam, for this clear overview of Avnion services. My next question is to Prabhanjan. Who can use our as-built services and how it is going to help them?
Interesting question, Preetha. I would say that owner operators of various sectors like oil and gas onshore and offshore, petrochemicals, power plants, chemical plants, cryogenics, general industries, metals and minerals, pharmaceuticals, utility companies, etc. can use our as-built services either directly or through EP contractors. Regarding the answer to your question on how are as-built engineering services helpful, I would state that there are many benefits to investing into as-built engineering. Firstly, as-built documents will provide critical, up-to-date and reliable information to achieve compliance to statutory requirements, to address process safety concerns, audits, etc. Also, it will provide a chronological legacy of changes that have happened in a plant since the time it was built. As we all know, oftentimes the knowledge of legacy of changes is important to arrive at the right engineering design or O&M decisions. As-builts will allow you to track and account changes in the plant which are critical to your continual and ongoing HSE hazard analysis. Also, the updated as-built model of the plant will serve as a digital twin, which is a comprehensive and accurate in all aspects and hence can be fully relied upon to arrive at critical design basis considerations for future expansions and modifications of your plant facilities. As-built information will also help owner operators to organize their asset management, spare part maintenance plans, etc. and be prepared well ahead for planned or unplanned shutdowns. Therefore, as-built information is critical throughout the life cycle of plant operations and maintenance, since it hosts an accurate and reliable data that can be accessed by all stakeholders in their decision-making process.
Thank you, Prabhanjan. I think it is clear now that investing into as-built engineering could benefit organization in many ways. My last question of this session is to Raghuttam. why one should partner with Avneon.
Yeah, that's a very good question, Preeta. I would say that first of all, we help our clients to develop millimeter level accurate digital twin models of their existing facilities through laser scanning, uh, field walkthroughs, data enrichment techniques, and thus offer complete end-to-end as-built solutions. Our experienced resources perform redlining from plant walkthroughs and efficiently update redline markups into the model to produce a highly comprehensive and accurate digital twin. Yeah, this digital twin can be used to perform design verifications, plant safety and predictive maintenance assessments, and serve as a reliable source of asset information database to O&M teams for their day-to-day operations and decision making.
Thank you, Raghuttam. As we conclude this session on as-built services, I would request Raghu to add last few words.
Sure, Preeta. In summary, the Avignon advantage is based on what customers most request from a reliable partner: quality assurance, schedule commitment, and commercial advantage are our strengths. We have a pool of highly qualified engineers worldwide and at our high value engineering center in India. This ability allows us to provide a competitive commercial advantage in the industry, ramp up or best optimize the resources required to meet any project, large or small, and meet or exceed any accelerated schedule clients may ask. Quality is never compromised as customer satisfaction is always a priority. We take pride in ensuring our customers are 100% satisfied and will end up partnering with us over and over again.
Thank you, Raghu. I would like to thank all our viewers for tuning in. As you can see, we are present in multiple locations serving our clients across the globe, and we look forward to partner with you as well. I would like to highlight again that Avneon is equipped with all the latest tools and technology. With 350 plus highly skilled engineering professionals and domain experts, we aim to be your preferred and trusted engineering partner. Please feel free to drop us an email in case of any queries to the mail ID given on screen. Also, feel free to send us an email with your feedback on this session and let us know if you want us to host a session on some specific topics that may be of importance and interest to you. We will make sure to get back to you. Thank you again for attending our session. We wish you good health and hope to connect back soon. Thank you.